Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video for the channel. What I'm going to be doing today is I am going to be using and trying on Fenty Beauty for the very first time. So I have all of the makeup that I just recently received in my BoxyCharm premium box for the month of March, and I still have not tried it on my face. Other than the quick swatches I did for you guys in that other video, that's my only time that I have touched this makeup. So I really wanted to try it, so I thought, why not try it on here with you guys? So what we got for the video, or what we got from that video, from that box, we got the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette by Fenty Beauty. We got two different highlighters. So I'm trying to plan on what I'm gonna do here, because so we have a full eyeshadow palette. We have a matchstick. This is a highlighter in the shade Unicorn, so it's like a purplish color. We also got the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, the Kilowatt highlighter. So this is a really pretty color, if I can open it. I did not just do that. I just dug my nail into it. Oh my god. So that happened. And we also got two lip products. We got the lip gloss in Diamond Milk, the Gloss Bomb, I think it's called. Gloss Bomb. And then we also got a lipstick, but this lipstick is in the shade Clapback, I think. And it's like a dark blue. I was really hoping, I got another shade in the lipstick, but it is what it is. This is the shade I got in this lipstick, so I don't know what I'm gonna do exactly, because I have two lip products and I have, where's the other one? Oh, I have two highlighters. So I'm trying to think of what I can do, but I don't know just yet. I didn't close it right and it just all fell back out. So I'm gonna just kind of go, just like I always say, I can never start with a specific look, because it never turns out that way. I just kind of say like, well, let me try this, let me try that. And it just kind of turns into a look on its own. So let's just start off by using the eyeshadow palette. Let me show you guys really quick the colors that I will be working with. They are really, really pretty colors. So those are it there. We have a really good selection of colors. I just really have no idea what I'm gonna do, so I guess we'll just find out as I go. I will probably just swatch the lipstick for you guys. Maybe I won't keep it on. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Okay, I'm gonna try, and so my first instinct is to go on to this section, which is obviously the browns, the warms, so I'm going to try and go on this side of the palette and then just see what the heck comes out. So I'm just going to start off by still putting this one all over my crease. That's going to be my base color. And then I'm going to transition over to this side. Okay, so with that one down, I'm going to go ahead and move on to this grayish tone one here, and I'm gonna go almost just as high up as the brown that I did, but I'm just gonna go a little bit lower and just kind of blend it into the brown and see what that looks like. I like to see sometimes, because this grayish color that I'm using, it's obviously a lot cooler, so I do like to see that transition from the coolness of the gray to the warmth of the brown. So I just gotta blend it in until I don't get like a harsh line between the two colors. And so far they are pretty easy to blend. They are really pigmented. That's one thing I can say. These eyeshadows are really pigmented. So if you don't want it to be that dark, you kind of have to go in with an easy hand. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. I think I put on a little bit too much of the gray. So I just grabbed this clean brush And I'm just kind of like brushing it back and forth, trying to blend it in and take it and try to take some of that pigment off that I laid down when I first, put that brush down. And then I'm gonna go back with the brush that had the color, and I'm gonna do it a little bit more here on the edge, trying to get a little bit more pigment, but not too much. Okay, so then up next, I'm gonna grab this darker blue here, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. I'm gonna try and keep this kind of simple. I don't want to go like crazy because, like I said, I don't normally work with these colors. So I don't want to go crazy, putting a ton of color. It is going to be a darker look. Something that I'm not really used to. So I don't know how this is going to come out. I hope, it works. So let's see how this turns out. I'm trying to put it on with this brush here, and it's not really working out. So I think right now I'm gonna try and just kind of create the outline of where I want it to go. And then I'm gonna go in with my finger. It's not going on as pigmented as I expected. I'm getting a little bit of fallout here. So I'm gonna brush that off before it gets worse. Maybe I should have done my eyeshadow before my foundation. I totally didn't think of this happening. So, I don't know. This one is not wowing me right now. I thought it was going to go off or go on my lid a little bit better than what it is. Okay, so this is how I can get the blue down. I don't know how I feel about this shadow. Just because I was trying to put it on with my finger because that's usually the easiest and best way to put it on. But it was not sticking to my lid. I don't usually have that problem, but I just thought it was kind of weird that, it wasn't sticking to my lid. So the only other thing I'm going to do with my eyeshadow is I'm going to grab this blue here, this bright blue on my finger, and I'm just going to tap it here and around on the ball of my eye, just like a little halo kind of thing to brighten it up a little bit, because that blue it's kind of dark, so I'm just gonna brighten it up a little bit here. So I'm gonna do that there. On this side, I'm going to do the same, just tap it in a little bit to give it a little bit of a brighter blue. And for my bottom lash line, I'm going to just take some of that first gray that I used, that first shade, and I'm just gonna put a little bit here on my bottom lash line. I guess I just don't want to darken up my eyes too much. So just a little tiny bit, just to add some color. So like I said, just a little tiny bit. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a small little brush. So I'm gonna grab this one here, and I'm going to grab this gold one here on the edge. And I'm going to use that one here on my inner corner, and here on under my, whoa. See, now these are like crazy pigmented colors. The whoa, yeah, that is blinding. I wasn't expecting that much. So let me put it here. Maybe I should have stuck to those warm colors and created a look with that, because these, like this one, like, oh my god, it's like really, like, it's really like shiny. Like, I wasn't expecting this much payoff. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this like this. Up next, what I'm going to do is I don't think I want to use this one as my highlighter, just because it is a like a purplish kind of tone, and it's not going to go with the look. So for my look right now, I think I'll be better off using the Killawatt and Trophy Wife, which I know it's going to be amazing. I'm going to put my nail in there again. So I'm just going to get a brush, and I'm going to just put that on my, I should have probably grabbed less. I know this is going to be, whoa, yes, okay. So I got a little bit too much on my brush. So, oh my god, that is crazy. Wow. And I didn't even put that much on. OMG. Now I'm trying to even it out so it's not just a giant. Oh my god. That is crazy pigmented. That is crazy pigment. Now I see why people were going crazy over this when it just came out. So I'm gonna put it over on the other side. Okay, so let me do my eyeliner really quick. Put some mascara on so I can come back and do my lips. Okay, so the only thing that left that I have to put on my lips, it is the lipstick and the lip gloss. So what I'm gonna do is, I obviously know that I won't do, you know, dark eyes with the dark lipstick, but I'm just gonna put it on just so you guys can see what it looks like, and then I'm gonna top it off with some of the lip gloss, just, you know, for the fun of it. This is a really dark blue, as you guys can see. Okay, so this is just a rough application of the lipstick itself. It is very blue. I personally do not think it's wearable. I would not wear this if it wasn't for a costume, you know, during Halloween time, or for, you know, something very specific. I wouldn't wear this as an everyday kind of thing, or, you know, just to go out or anything like that. I don't think I would ever wear it for just, you know, like regular purposes. But I mean, it was in the box. But I think they kind of made it up a little bit by giving us this lip gloss. So just topping it off, well, it just makes the color look a little bit crazier. It just, you know, grabs a lot of attention. So I just dabbed it on, and I'm just gonna pat it and move it around a little bit. I didn't apply it to my whole lip. I just applied it here in the center. The lip gloss itself, though, I really like, because it is it is white, but it has some of that shimmer. It actually, I can see the shimmer here on the lipstick, obviously, but this is what the lip looks like. Not a huge fan. Like I said, I wouldn't wear the lipstick on its own, or I can't think of a time where I would want to wear a blue lipstick, but I can wear this on an everyday basis, which is good. So these were all of the Fenty products that I had in the box. So I think overall, it's a really good experience with the brand itself. I look forward to using these a little bit more on like a daily basis, or, you know, for going out, or you know, just a lot more than my first impressions that I have at the moment, but they are all good. So I am all done with playing with all of this makeup here. I hope you like this video. I will try and post a lot of more different videos other than the unboxings, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of different content. But that is all for me for today. I'm all done here. I will be back really soon with another video, that being an unboxing or another try on, or, you know, whatever it is, I'm gonna try. But I'll be back really, really soon, and I hope I will see all of you back here next time. Bye.